Making this marble solitaire game. Theo cut this slab of wood out of mesquite. He used his chainsaw mill, and I'm just going to be sanding down the edges. I did actually end up using the bandsaw and then sand it. It'll actually look different than this. And then I made sure I had a good template, and I'm going to be making all these little tiny holes so that when I use the drill press, I have holes for the drill to go into easier. Using a little compass to get the exterior circle. And then this is the drill press. Theo actually did most of the drilling, but this is just to show you. And I made sure that the marbles weren't going to fall out. I didn't actually like the little ridges on the exterior part of it with the drill press, so I'm just making it a little bit smoother. And then Theo did the edging, the circle with the router, and then I'm just going to be sanding it smooth. Definitely wanted it to look handmade or like hand carved, but I didn't want to hand carve it the whole time. And this is what it looks like done. So I love it. I think it turned out really good. I made sure that it was stable, that the marbles wouldn't fall out super easily. So I did a few tests. But I also wanted to be able to grab the marbles easily without having half of the marble in a hole. I did play a few rounds without ever looking up the answer how to solve it. I did get pretty close. I actually got down to 2, but obviously I'm playing it wrong.